Fish on, fish on. All right, guys, so I got a little Carolina rig over here, you know, with the sliding weight, barrel swivel, about 1.5 leader to a little size, what is it, size 8 or size 6 hook. You guys can see that. We're ready to go. So this is gonna work. I'm gonna be throwing some worms, night crawlers, and then I'm also gonna be throwing some power eggs. You guys can see those. I got a little variety pack in here. This is an awesome little travel size. Ray and his lunker lotion. But yeah, we're gonna be switching from the GoPro to the Sony cam, so you guys will be getting 2 kinds of footage here.
You guys are gonna take a shot.
And then also a little travel pack of some spinners I'm gonna be throwing. You guys can see that.
I want to put this in.
You want to see the spinners? So what it does is, so when you're reeling it in, this that would've been bad. This blade, it spins with the water. See that? And it creates a vibration, and then that attracts the fish. So we're gonna have you on the worms to fish, and if you get bored, we'll give you a spinner. That way, it's a little bit more fun. Why?
Huh? 'Cause she said.
What's your setup, huh?
Okay, so I am on a
Minnow swim bait?
SST. It's a 8.7.
It's a 7.6, boy.
Or wait, I saw an 8 right there. Sorry, I'm buying a shit. 7.6. 4 to 10 pound. We're running whatever the fuck this little thing is. It's an ounce.
1 ounce minnow.
We're running 10-pound braid with 10-pound fluorocarbon line.
Yeah, by the way, the reason why we have such heavy leaders is because we were just at Pyramid Lake. Oh, I'm also going to be throwing this because there's some big-ass mackin out there, so I'm doing the same thing I threw at Pyramid. So, we'll see out there.
They look gross.
See this? This is a tube. It's weird that fish will go for that, huh? Because it doesn't look like anything. Doesn't look like any sort of food. But, we'll go.
Y'all waiting on me?
Yeah, we're waiting on you, boy.
Come on, you know we're coming fishing, bro.
You see these guys ready to go? What are they forgetting again?
Ooh.
Every time, man, every time. Ain't no big whoop, huh?
Nah, ain't no biggie.
All right. Here is the worms. You want to carry these?
Yeah.
You want to carry this?
I got the worms.
All right. Make sure everything's good. And we're off.
Take some line out there too, no?
Hmm?
Should we take line out there?
Ray has some in his backpack, I'm pretty sure. This one right here, no?
Yeah.
You guys saw that I like cork? You too, huh?
Yeah.
Everybody got cork out here? Yeah, and even Logan got cork rod. Nice. All right, be careful right here, Logan. Watch your step. Oh. All right, here we are on the shoreline here. Easy, easy, big Ray, easy. All right, let me set my stuff down. All right, you want to learn how to cast this out? Or did you already teach you? Barely.
I gave him a tutorial at home and not the same.
Okay. So what you're gonna do? Okay, so with your finger, you're gonna hold this line like this, okay? Okay. And then you flip this up. Because what happens when you flip that up? It releases all your line. You see that? Okay. So you want your bobber close to the tip of there. Then you hold it, and then you swing it out. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Watch out, Ray. So you're gonna swing it out. When you swing it out, you're gonna point forward. Okay? And what that's gonna do is gonna let all your line out. You see that?
Whoa!
Oh man. Then Jay, you did give him a lot of line.
Deep lake, bro. It's a deep lake.
You want me to throw it out there for you, or you got it?
No, I'm serious. You lost it already? I think so.
What happened?
I didn't hear it confirm.
All right, I'm gonna go take my rod holder out there, put in my live bait, which is on this guy.
So try to get.
So let me grab a worm real quick. I am gonna go. Hopefully I don't eat shit. Watch out behind you.
Oh, I thought I lost it.
There we go. Got that ready to go. I'm gonna go grab my worms. Okay. Reel it till this part is facing where your finger is, right there. Then grab it, flick it up, and then now you can cast it out. There you go, it's a little better. You can do it a little harder, almost like a baseball bat. And then remember, after you're done, you gotta flip this back up. Okay? I think I got a bite, guys.
Should've brought sunglasses, bro.
Oh, he's nibbling at it. There it is, there it is.
Alright, look, you see my,
There it is.
Fish on, fish on. Oh, there he is. Look at that. Look at that rainbow right there.
No, you got it. You got it. You got it. Come on, I'll help you.
Come on, land that fish, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Leave him in the water a little bit.
Hold it.
Nice little rainbow. Oh.
Good.
Nice rainbow.
First catch of the day at 12:23.
First catch. Hey, low key, I think I just found the sauce.
What you got on you?
So, what you want to do? Oh, I'm putting the water a little bit more. Watch, go. Throw one of these little white eggs on your hook, slide it all the way up to the line, and then put your worm on it. Because I don't know if it's the scent or like the floating. But dude, I literally just casted that shit out there. You got pliers, Ray?
Huh?
Pliers?
Pliers on the back. Wanna get them?
Nice little rainbow. What's bag limit here?
Limitless?
Yeah? Bring the stringer too. Fuck it. You want to keep them?
Up to you. I'm not really eating any. I don't know. I don't think so.
String in the truck. You want to hold them on a stringer?
Yeah. Or should we just release them right now?
Kind of little. I think you get some.
A little bigger, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll release this guy real quick. There he goes. You guys see him? So I'm gonna wait.
Nine?
Nah, he's good. Fucking water's freezing though. Oh, vergas, he might die.
Not the coach, huh?
Let's see.
Come on, recover,
Well,
guys.
come fish it right here. Because then it drops off.
Do you see the setup though?
Yeah.
I think he's good. I think he's good. Probably recover because he went that way.
Yeah.
Want to try it?
It looks like the fucking bobber's getting hit, but it's not.
Yeah, all the wind, huh? Yeah, fuck, I'm doing.
A little white one, man. It's way hit. Want to give you two? What do you want to do? Because they stink, bro. I'm not going to lie.
Stinky?
Yeah. You saw how fast I hit, though?
Not your first catch.
I don't know if there's actually a name for this. You got a little power egg, and then you hook up the night crawler. It's like a ghetto mice tail right there, but it hit. So let's try it one more time. All right. This is cast number 2 with this setup.
Take it off the hook.
Back into my rod holder. And we'll see. What the fuck? Where'd this come from? Well, that was wild.
Pushing, man.
That's crazy. Are we good down there? We got everything?
I think all the rod and shit.
Okay. Well, that fishing spot's kind of cooked because of that too, to be honest. Come on, guys, look at this. Someone got freaky on the shoreline.
I wouldn't do it here. Fuck that, dude.
It's rocky, huh?
Hella.
All right, guys, we got a new. You found your butt? You gotta get you some hiking shoes, man. You're an outdoor boy now. All right, here we are. This drop off is actually really close too, so hopefully we get some luck.
Down there. Enrique caught a fish on some bullshit ass rig. And I threw my whole arsenal, fucking cast masters, spinners, big boys, fucking tube jig, and I didn't catch anything. And neither did anyone else. So I'll rate this lake 1 out of 10, just because we caught one fish. That's my honest opinion.
1 out of 10?
Yeah. Fuck this lake, bro. It took 2 of Enrique's spoons. How? I'm not sure.
Who's using them?
Well, I used one and it got stuck on the rock. And then I tied one up and then Enrique lost it. Because he fucking swinged it too hard.
Because you didn't tie the knot right.
Bro, my knot, I casted that shit like 3 times. And it didn't fly off. But other than that, realistically, I think we could give this lake another try. But so far, it's a 1 out of 10.